Hey, Steve here with Strikeforce Zebra. Hey, we want to run over our central command, our power distribution module. We've had a lot of questions about it, and we wanted to go through the simplicity of this system along with some of the features and benefits. Now, this is a power module that you can mount in any vehicle. This happens to be mounted in our 2015 JK. We've custom made a mount for it, and let me dive into the product a little bit. First thing you'll notice is that this box is made by Eaton. It's their VEC line. However, this is custom made for us. We sat down with the engineers and went through this product in detail and had them work up exactly what we wanted, and this is proprietary to us. Although Eaton makes it, we buy it from them, and this is only available through Strikeforce Zebra, this product. Now, as consumers, we wanted something that carried a little bit more than just 8 switches, relays and fuses. We also wanted to have this available that if we wanted an inline fuse for something, it's already stretched through the firewall and into our power distribution module, something like a CB or a ham radio. Now, first thing that you'll notice here is that we've got 2 power lines coming in. This box is capable of handling 200 amps. As you'll see, it stretches back across the firewall and over to our battery. So from the battery, we're coming off with a big supply line to a 200 amp resettable waterproof circuit breaker made in the US. And from there, gone back over to our box. Now, inside the box, the other thing that you'll notice is that we provide 8 20 amp fuses along with 8 relays. Now, those make up our circuits for our switches inside. But over to the right, you'll notice that we also supply 4 additional fuses for those extra power lines that we talked about in line. Again, the only other thing that we included in there were some extra fuses and a fuse puller. Again, this is a water sealed tight box with automotive connectors. The easy part about this is that you don't have to run grounds back to your battery or anything else. Chassis ground it. If you're going to add a device such as a light bar, it's as simple as bringing your power from your light bar back to here, strip, crimp, and heat shrink, and plug into the connector where we tell you to plug it in. And literally, it's as easy as pulling the connector from the back, plugging it in, and plugging it back in. Now from here, this feeds through the firewall. We provide a Daystart waterproof boot. It feeds back through here so you can close back up that firewall nice and tight and not have moisture coming through. Those other 5 lines that we talked about, 4, come into our box right here. And it's as simple to add. If I wanted to add my CB, or I happen to be running some power steps in mine. So again, I strip, crimp, we provide you all the connectors that you need. Plug into the back of our wiring harness, plug that wiring harness in, and you're good to go with whatever device that you wanted. Now you'll notice that there's more than 4. This last one is tied into an accessory. We provide an add-a-fuse back into your Jeep or whatever vehicle fuse box. That's tied into that. We actually have this one tied into our Air Command product. Now, the wiring harness, we feed up through here, up through the A-pillar, over, and use our CB mount to provide you with 8 Carling 5 switches. Now, these are only on when you turn the key on and power up your devices. These faces can be popped off simple and easy and made with your custom faces. Multiple companies out there that provide these. Simple, easy, waterproof. There you go. There's our central command. Give us a look at strikeforcezebra.com.